You could argue that the 3D printing revolution was off to a slower start. But wait, when we reflect on the past decade, you realize these things have become increasingly essential. The world we live in is fast-paced, and yes, the demand for rapid prototyping and custom parts has only grown. The right 3D printer will transform your ideas into tangible objects in no time, but when choosing one, you need to know what makes the best 3D printers deliver exceptional detail and multi-material versatility. Look for features like automatic bed leveling and multiple nozzle options. We did a lot of the heavy lifting here, and now bring you our top 5 picks. Let's go! If you're just diving into 3D printing or simply want to keep your budget in check out the Anycubic Phototon Mono 2. This thing is all about delivering high-quality prints without the high price tag. One of the most impressive features considering the price tag is the upgraded Li-Turbo Matrix. Unlike ordinary light sources, this advanced matrix delivers stable and even illumination. This feature is vital if you want to reduce those pesky layer lines that can ruin a print. And yes, this means your models will come out looking sharp and smooth, almost as if they were crafted by a much pricier machine. The laser engraved platform is another surprising feature in this price range. The flatness here is excellent, so your print stays firmly in place. This greatly boosts the success rate of your creations. No more worrying about models peeling off mid-print, and yes, that is a common issue in more affordable printers. Size matters too, and the Phototon Mono 2 delivers once more. The build volume is larger than many competitors in the same price range. You can print bigger models without taking up extra space. This is a fantastic feature for anyone looking to experiment with larger designs. Now, let's talk about the 6.6-inch 4K Plus HD screen. This high-resolution screen captures even the tiniest details, giving your miniatures and intricate models a polished finish. It's a step up from previous iterations and a great option if you're upgrading from an FDM printer. Considering the price tag, we're very impressed here. For all you value hunters, the Creality Ender 3 V3 SE is the 3D printer to beat. Right off the bat, the printing speed is fantastic. The exact max speed is 250 mm/s, making this printer so much faster than many of its peers in this price range. You'll be getting your project done in record time. Trust us. The Dual Z-axis feature is another highlight. This thing means you get 2 lead screws instead of 1, which helps prevent the annoying wobbling that can ruin a print. It's like having stabilizers on a bike. It just keeps everything steady. Plus, with sturdy Y-axis linear shafts, the stability and precision are top-notch. And if you dread complicated setups, you'll love the quick assembly feature. In just about 20 minutes, you can move from unboxing to printing, a huge plus for just about anyone really. Changing filaments is a breeze with the auto filament loading and unloading system. No more wrestling with a spool, just tap a button and you're good to go. This ease of use is ideal for beginners and pros alike. The Sprite Direct Extruder is a powerful new addition, adept at handling a range of filaments like PLA, TPU, and PETG. Its lightweight design ensures smooth feeding without jams, which is a relief when you're in the middle of a detailed print. And then the CR Touch Auto Leveling System takes the hassle out of bed leveling. With this, you could just sit back and watch your print succeed without constant manual adjustments. Good stuff. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. Now, if you're looking for a top-tier 3D printing experience and you're willing to dive into the high-end domain, the Prusa MK4E is what you've been waiting for. This premium machine is a blend of innovation and reliability, a standout choice for serious 3D printing enthusiasts. One of the key highlights is the input shaper support. This thing boosts the printer speed without sacrificing quality. Think of it like a sports car that's tuned for precision, fast yet smooth. The load cell sensor is another fine addition. It handles the first layer like a pro, automatically adjusting to ensure it lays down perfectly flat. No more fiddling with knobs or re-leveling mid-print. It's a set-it-and-forget-it type of deal that saves you time and frustration, especially compared to other printers where manual adjustments are the norm. Then there's the Nextruder, which takes versatility to a new level. It allows for quick swap nozzles, meaning you can easily switch between different filament types or sizes without a hitch. This is a big leap from older models where nozzle changes could be a pain. The 32-bit connected platform offers a modern touch to the classic Prusa functionality. With remote printing capabilities and a customizable interface, you can manage your prints from anywhere. This feature is a rarity among standard printers, which usually require you to be physically present. Now, When we draw the bottom line, the MK4E combines cutting-edge features with ease of use. It's not just about creating models, it's about crafting experiences effortlessly. If you can treat yourself to this beast, we say go for it. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. Up next, meet the Anycubic Cobra 3 Combo, the silver medalist for today. This printer is just packed with cool features. One of them is the multicolor printing capability. You can print in up to 4 colors now, with plans to extend to 8 colors in the near future. This is perfect for those who want to add a vibrant splash to their creations without settling for monochrome models, something you don't typically find in cheap printers. The Cobra 3's intelligent design is a major plus too. It includes clever features like nozzle clog detection and automatic filament refill. This means less time troubleshooting issues and more time focusing on what really matters, the printing. Plus, with its sealed storage design, your filament stays dry and ready for use. Speed is another area where the Cobra 3 shines. It prints at a blazing speed of up to 600 mm/s, which is about 12 times faster than many standard FDM printers. That's right, 12 times! This fast printing capability means you can bring your ideas to life swiftly, allowing more room for creativity and experimentation. To top it off, the printer includes vibration compensation thanks to its built-in G-sensors. This ensures your prints come out smooth and free from those annoying ringing issues, a common problem in many other 3D printers. Ease of use is another highlight, making it great for beginners. The pre-installed features and automatic leveling mean you can start printing almost straight out of the box, which is a huge time saver. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. If you're ready to embrace the world of 3D printing with a machine that offers both power and ease of use, the FlashForge Adventure 5M Pro is your go-to choice. The winner for today. This printer is all about combining speed, quality, and convenience into one impressive package. First, let's talk speed. With a maximum travel speed of 600 mm/s, it's like having a race car in your workshop. The nozzle heats up to 200 degrees Celsius in just 35 seconds, meaning less waiting and more creating. Compared to many printers that take much longer to heat up and print, this feature alone saves you a heap of time. But speed doesn't mean sacrificing quality. Thanks to its Core XY structure and all-metal frame, the Adventure 5M Pro maintains stability even at high speeds, ensuring your prints come out just as you imagine. The option to use multiple nozzle sizes means you can easily switch between detailed work and faster, less intricate prints, making it versatile for any project. The convenience of this printer is a huge plus. It uses pressure sensing for automatic bed leveling, which is a fancy way of saying it adjusts itself so you don't have to. No manual tweaking needed, which is a relief for anyone who's ever struggled with leveling a print bed. Plus, the dual-sided PEI platform makes removing your prints a breeze. Just pop them off when you're done. For those who want everything managed from their smartphone, the FlashForge app lets you monitor, track, and tweak your prints remotely. Features like auto shutdown and filament detection add layers of convenience and safety that most other printers in its class don't offer. Overall, this model offers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best. You got it.